Here's the secret to mastering these tricky sounds. They actually belong to three families, and the only thing that separates them is where your tongue goes. One family has the tongue tip pointing down with the blade arching up. One has the tongue tip right behind the front teeth. And one has the tongue tip curling up and pointing backward. And inside every family, there are the same three personalities. One that stops the air with no puff, one that stops the air with a big puff, and the one that just hisses continuously, no stop at all. In this video, you'll get to know all three families and their three personalities in detail, with plenty of examples. We'll start with the family that surprises people the most. These look familiar, but they work completely differently from those English sounds. For this family, your tongue tip goes down, resting against your lower front teeth, or even the gum line is fine too. And the flat part of your tongue, called the blade, arches up toward the middle of the roof of your mouth. Try this. Say E like in the word see. Feel how your tongue automatically rises up toward the roof of your mouth? That's your starting position. Keep the tip touching your lower teeth and let the blade do the arching. Keep your lips flat and spread. No rounding, no puckering. I'll explain each one along with examples. 1. 鸡 家 家 几 几 九 九 Tongue tip down, blade arched up. Release. No puff. It's crisper and softer than the English J. Here are more examples. 见 见 教 教 今天 今天 今年 今年 大家 大家 2. 七 Let's hear some examples first. 七 七 请 请 钱 钱 Qi is ji's louder sibling. Exact same tongue position. But a strong puff of air bursts through on the release. Here are more examples. 去 去 钱 钱 以前 以前 骑马 骑马 天气 天气 3. 西 Let's hear some examples first. 西西学学先先 C is the pure hiss of this family. No stop at all. Just continuous airflow through that narrow channel between the blade and the roof of your mouth. Here are more examples. 喜喜喜欢喜欢星期星期学习学习下课下课 Family 2. Your tongue tip goes right behind your front teeth. That's the only place it ever goes for this whole family. Say the letter S in English. Feel where your tongue is? That neighborhood, right up near the front, is the home base. Let's dive deeper into each one with examples. 1. 滋早早在在做做 It's like the end of the English word as. Your tongue tip touches behind your teeth, builds up a tiny bit pressure, and release. No puff of air, just a quick, tight release. Here are more examples. 左左脏脏名字名字昨天昨天汉字汉字 2. 吃 Let's hear some examples first. 菜菜层层草草 Think of the sound at the end of cats, but crisper and more explosive. The tongue position is the same. Tongue tip behind the front teeth. But now you release a strong puff of air. Here are more examples. 词词草地草地参加参加从小从小词语词语 3. 丝 Let's hear some examples first. 三三四四岁岁 S is the easiest of the three. No stop, no puff. Just a steady hiss. Tongue position is the same. And let the air flow. It's the most similar to English. So start here if you're warming up. Here are more examples. 送送算算意思意思虽然 虽然司机司机 Before we move on to the last family, I'll give you two very useful tips. 1. Remember, 鸡七西 are very picky. They only ever combine with e and yu and vowel combinations starting with e and yu. For example, 鸡家去全西下 Also, watch out for yu. When it comes after 鸡七西, the two dots disappear in writing. 居区虚 look like they should be pronounced with a u sound, but they're actually 居区虚. Don't let the spelling fool you. 2. Note that when e comes after 鸡七西, it's the normal e sound. But when it comes after 滋呲丝 or 支吃诗日, it's more of a placeholder that lets the consonant hum itself. Keep your tongue where it is and switch your voice on. It's simply a voiced continuation of the consonant. So instead of thinking of E as a vowel here, think of it as a trigger that starts that voiced continuation. See the difference between the two I sounds in these words. 自己司机教室写字仔细 Now we are getting to the sounds that really trip English speakers up. Family 3, 支吃诗 and we'll add 日 at the end. The defining move for this whole family is that your tongue tip curls up and points backward toward the roof of your mouth. Try this. Say the word draw in English. Notice how your tongue wants to pull back and up? Now make it tighter and hold it there. That's your starting position for this entire family. Let's look into each one with examples. 1. 之中中这找zhi is your curled tongue. Stop with no puff. Your tongue tip curls back, presses against the roof of your mouth, builds pressure, and releases. But no extra air comes out. Think of zhi in draw, but sharper. Here are more examples. 猪周知道桌子炸鸡 2. 吃茶出 Chi is the same curled position, but now a strong puff of air comes out on the release. Think of the ch in English church, but with your tongue pulled further back. Here are more examples. 车车长长春天春天炒面炒面厨房厨房 3. 诗是是书书上上 Sh is the non-stop hiss, just a continuous sound with the tongue curled back. English has a sh sound too, but here is the key difference. English sh points your tongue tip forward. Mandarin sh curls the tip backward. Same letter, totally different tongue shape. Some more examples are 谁谁什么什么刷牙刷牙小时小时数学数学 And then there's R, the rebel of the family. Let's listen to some examples first. 人人热热让让 Your tongue curls back the same way as sh, but now you switch your voice on and let it buzz and vibrate. It's similar to the English R, but with the tongue curled a bit further back and a stronger buzz. Let's listen to more examples. 生日生日牛肉牛肉如果如果认识认识容易容易 Now you know all three families. Practice switching between them until you can both feel and hear the difference. I've packed as many of these tricky sounds as possible into one song. Put it on repeat, sing along, and let the rhythm do the work. First, I'll go through the song so you can hear the pronunciation and tones clearly. Then the song. 自己起床洗手洗脸自己起床洗手洗脸吃鸡翅喝热茶吃鸡翅喝热茶坐出租车去机场坐出租车去机场司机开车 出租车，出发。司机开车，出租车出发。舌头，上，舌头，下，舌头上，舌头下。舌头前，舌头后，舌头前，舌头后。学中文不容易，学中文不容易。练习，练习就学会，练习练习就学会。如果你想认识我，如果你想认识我，请坐下，自我介绍。请坐下，自我介绍。认识，字，学，发音。认识字，学发音。仔细，学习，不着急。仔细学习，不着急。学中文，继续学，学中文，继续学。你真棒，加油吧！你真棒，加油吧！
自己起床，洗手洗脸，吃鸡翅喝热茶，坐出租车去机场，司机开车，出租车出发。舌头上，舌头下，舌头前，舌头后，学中文不容易，练习练习就学会。如果你想认识我，请坐下，自我介绍。认识字，学发音，仔细学习，不着急。学中文，继续学，你真棒，加油吧！自己起床，洗手洗脸，吃鸡翅喝热茶，坐出租车去机场，司机开车，出租车出发。舌头上，舌头下，舌头前，舌头后，学中文不容易，练习练习就学会。如果你想认识我，请坐下，自我介绍。 认识字，缺发音，仔细学习，不交集。舌头上，舌头下，舌头前，舌头后，学中文不容易，练习练习就学会。